Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Animoto account. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Animoto app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the settings button right here. Then tap onto the profile information button, which is right here. Finally, here you can find the option of delete account. Simply go ahead and select it. Now to delete the account, simply tap on to delete button right here. After tapping on to delete button, your account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete the Animoto account. It is a very simple and easy process, right? And if you want to again use the Animoto app, you can simply log into your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.